Good morning, all of you. Once again, this is Dharmendra sir. You're welcome in DSS online English class. And I'm going to continue the chapter in the Kingdom of Fools. Student, I have earlier sent you a voice recorder in which I have explained above stanzas, and I think there is no doubt because it's a very simple lesson and a simple story, and it is also a very interesting story, and there is no any difficult phrases, word meanings, etc. are used here. So it's very simple, and there is no any problem to understand or to clarify the explanation of this chapter. So, student, let's we start the rest of the paragraph, and we will start today from here. Okay, let's start. When the merchant arrived, we have earlier discussed that one accident has been occurred with that culprit when the wall broken down and he he crushed under that broken wall, and his brother came to the king and complained that the person made a weak wall and wall collapsed and fell under on his brother, and his brother got dead. So king ordered to his ministers, to his attendant, to call that person, call that culprit for the punishment. And what happened? Let's we discuss the next. When the merchant arrived, the king questioned. When merchant came to the king's court, the kings questioned him. What's your name? Such and such, your highness. He told his name that such and such. Such and such here means we can't give a name, because if the co-incident or co-relate the name with any person, that person blame us that how could you take my name in a such condition. जैसे स्टूडेंट आप समझ रहे हो ना, सच एंड सच नेम का मीन्स क्या है कि वो एक अपना एक अजीब सा नाम ले लेता है, कोई एक पर्टिकुलर नाम नहीं लेता, क्योंकि पर्टिकुलर नाम लेता तो वो अगर पर्टिकुलर नाम किसी से रिलेट कर जाएगा तो उसकी फीलिंग्स को हटोगा. दैट्स वाई ही calls his name such and such. Were you at home when the dead man burgled your house? That means he asked that were you at home when the dead man, that means the thief, entered into your house? That person replied that yes sir, yes my lord. He broke in and the wall was weak. It fell on him. He broke and he committed that. The wall was weak and he broken down and fell on the person. The accused pleads guilty. Your wall killed this man's brother. And then king said that this accused plead guilty and your weakened wall killed that man's brother. And for that you have to be punished. You have to murder a man. We have to punish you. And further king said that you have to murder a man, and that's why you have to be punished. Then the merchant began to plead that Lord, said the helpless merchant. Helpless began to plead. That means विनती करने लगता है, कहता है कि Lord, I didn't put up the wall. Lord, but where I am guilty here? Because I didn't make that wall. I didn't make that wall. That means the person who made that wall was guilty. कहता है कि सर मैंने तो दीवार बनाई नहीं, तो जिसने दीवार इस कमजोर दीवार को बनाया है वो गिल्टी है. It's really the fault of the man who built the wall. He didn't build it right. You should punish him. That means he further said that he didn't his work very honestly, and that's why he made a weak wall. And what happened here, this is due to that मैन हु मेड द वॉल। जिसमें ये जो भी घटनाएं घटी हैं इसमें मेरी कोई ब्लेम नहीं है, इसमें उस पर्सन का ब्लेम है जिसने इस खराब वॉल को बनाया था, इसलिए सजा तो उसको मिलनी चाहिए। देन किंग सेड हु इज दैट? अगेन किंग क्वेश्चन टू हिम दैट हु इज दैट? माय लॉर्ड, दिस वॉल वॉज built in my father's time. I know the man. Then the merchant said that, sir, this wall was made in my father's time, but I know the man. वो बताता है कि ये जो घर है वो मेरे फादर्स के टाइम बनाया गया है और मैं उस पर्सन को जानता हूँ जिसने इस दीवार को बनाया था। He is an old man now. He lives nearby, and he become old now, but he just lives nearby. मीन्स अब वो बूढ़ा हो चुका है, बस वो नियर बाय पास में ही रहता है। द किंग सेंट आउट मैसेंजर टू ब्रिंग इन द bricklayer who had built the wall. They brought him tied hand and foot. So king sent his messenger to send that person who made the weak wall, and that's why his messenger went to that person and they brought him by tied hand and foot. मीन्स इसके बाद वो किंग्स के मैसेंजर उसके पास जाते हैं, हाथ और पैरों को बांध कर उसको लेके आते हैं। You there, did you build this man's wall in his father's time? Yes, my lord, I did. Then king questioned to that person who is recently brought by tying his feet and hand. मतलब अब वो उस पर्सन से राजा बात करता है जिसको अभी अभी लाया गया है। And what he asked to him, that you there, did you build this man's wall in his father's time? That means you have made the wall of that person in his father's time. Then he said or replied that, yes, my lord, I did. What kinds of wall is this that you build? Then he surprisingly, king asked him that, what kinds of wall did you build? Is that very weak wall? And he fell on a person who got death, and that man's brother, the death man's brother, coming here for justice. It has fallen on a poor man and killed him. You have murdered him. We have to punish you by death, and for that you are guilty, and for that you have to be punished. That means a वीक वॉल बनाने की वजह से वो दीवार गिरी, एक पर्सन मर गया, इसके लिए तुम्हें सजा मिलेगी और तुम्हें मृत्यु की सजा मिलेगी, मौत की सजा मिलेगी। बिफोर द किंग कुड ऑर्डर द एग्जीक्यूशन, द पुअर ब्रिकलेयर प्लीड। एट बिफोर द किंग्स कुड ऑर्डर द एग्जीक्यूशन, द पुअर ब्रिकलेयर प्लीड। इससे पहले कि राजा एग्जीक्यूशन के लिए कुछ कहता, ब्रिकलेयर विनती, प्लीड दैट मीन्स विनती, उनसे प्लीड करता है। Please listen to me before you give your order. And said to the king that, sir, before giving you any order, please listen to my words, because I am not to blame. इसमें मेरी भी कोई गलती नहीं है। It's true that I built this wall and it was no good. I suppose that, sir, I assume that I made this wall and this wall was not good. मैं ये मानता हूँ कि मैंने ये दीवार बनाई और ये दीवार अच्छी नहीं थी, but that was because my mind was not on it. But I am not blame on that person. On that time when I was making that wall, my mind was completely out of my work. उस समय मेरा दिमाग बिल्कुल मेरे काम से बाहर था। I remember very well a dancing girl who was going up and down that street all day with her anklets jingling. And I remembered the time when I was making that wall, I heard a jingling anklet sounds of a dancer lady who always keeps on going up and down in the street. And when he is going up and down, she is going up and down in the street, his anklet jingling, and this all attracts my mind toward that sound. That's why I couldn't give full attention to the wall, and that's why the wall made a very poor condition. That means मैं एक डांसिंग लड़की जो बार बार गली से इधर उधर आ रही थी, जा रही थी, जिसके आने जाने से उसके पैरों में इंकलेट, इंकलेट दैट मीन्स वो गर्ल्स जो पायल, पायल की जो पायल के आने की जो जिंगलिंग साउंड है, इसकी वजह से मेरा माइंड डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा था और इसलिए मैं अपना पूरा फुल अटेंशन उस दीवार को नहीं दे पाया. And I couldn't keep my eyes or my mind on the wall I was building. You must get that dancing girl. So, Your Honor, you must get that dancing girl and punish her because this was her blame. I know where she lives, and I can do a favor that I could. I can tell you the address of that girl where she lives. मीन्स मैं आपकी थोड़ी सी मदद भी कर सकता हूँ कि मैं उस गर्ल्स का नाम, उस गर्ल्स का पता बता सकता हूँ, आप उसे पकड़िए क्योंकि सारी गलती उसकी है. यू आर राइट. द केस डिपेंड्स. नाउ द किंग बिकम सीरियस एंड सेड दैट यू आर राइट, द केस डिपेंड्स. अब बहुत ज़्यादा वो सीरियस हो कहता है कि बिल्कुल सही. अब केस और भी गहरा होता जा रहा है. वी मस्ट टू लुक इनटू इट. इट इज़ नॉट ईजी टू जज सच कॉम्प्लिकेटेड केसेस. And he also praised himself that this is a very complicated case and it cannot be possible to judge. मीन्स वो अब अपने आप को क्या करता है, अपने आप को और ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस देता है. कहता है बहुत ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मामला है और ऐसे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मामलों में जज करना इतना आसान नहीं होता. लेट्स गेट द डांसर वेयर एवर सी लिव. एंड ही ऑर्डर टू हिज मैसेंजर दैट गेट द डांसर वेयर एवर सी लिव्स. जहाँ भी वो रहती है उसको पकड़ के लाओ. The dancing girl, now an old woman, came trembling to the court. And the dancing girl, now she became very old and came with a trembling the court. That means his hands, his feet should not remain so strong as they were earlier, and she is very weak by health. But to the king's order, she came to king's court. Did you walk up and down that street many years ago while the poor man was building a wall? Did you see him? Then king asked to that old lady that you were coming ups and down in the street in many years ago when this man was making the building or the making the wall or building the wall. Did you see him? And did you see him on that occasion, on that moment? That means क्या तुमने उस अवसर पर, उस समय या उस टाइम पर उस व्यक्ति को देखा था? Yes, my lord, I remember it very well. Then the girl also she replied that yes, she saw him. So you did walk up and down with your anklet jingling. You were young and you distract him, so he built a bad wall. Then king said that you were on that moment walk up and down in the street and your jingling sound attract the minds and the attention of that person, and that time you were young and distracted him. That's why due to this attraction, due to this disturbances of mind, he made a weak wall, and by this the wall broken on a person or the merchant's brother and he got death, and that's why he come here for justice, and for this you found to be guilty and you have to be punished by death. It has fallen on the poor burglar, killed him, you killed an innocent man, you have to be punished. I have said you what is the expression of the king. She thought for a minute and said, my lord, wait. She thought for a minute and wait. My lord, wait. I know now why I was walking up and down that street. Now student, अब आपको लग रहा होगा कि वो किंग जो है बार बार कभी इसको पकड़ो उसको पकड़ो, सब आते हैं अपनी अपनी बातें करते हैं, राजा को बेवकूफ़ बनाते हैं और राजा बेवकूफ़ बनता चला जाता है. फिर भी राजा कहता है अपने आप को कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा बुद्धिमान है. अगेन द लेडी वॉन्ट टू मेक फूल of that person or the king. I know now, and she tells you to the king that why she was doing like this, and said to the king that, sir, I know now why I was walking up and down the street. I had given some gold to the goldsmith to make some jewelry for me, because he said that, sir, now I remember that why I was walking up and down in the street. On that day, I have given some golds to a goldsmith to make a jewelry for me, and he was lazy, scoundrel, and the jeweler was not a sincere person, not a hard worker person. He was lazy, he was a scoundrel. He made so many excuses. Said he would give it now and he would give it then, and so on all day. And he always make a pretense that he will make it today, he will give tomorrow, etc., etc. That means he was always making excuses when she goes to get his jewelries, go to get her jewelry. So he made up walk and down to the house for a dozen times, and she has compelled to walk a dozen times in the street, and for this he is to blame. मतलब इसके लिए मुझे बार बार गलियों में आना जाना पड़ रहा था, और इसके लिए वो व्यक्ति सारा ब्लेम उस व्यक्ति पे है. That was when this bricklayer saw me, and on that moment the bricklayer saw me roaming here and there with jingling sound. It's not my fault, my lord. It's the damned goldsmith's fault. So, sir, in this matter, I am not to blame. All blame to that person of to goldsmith, and this is the goldsmith's fault. So, sir, you must give the punishment of the goldsmith, because he is fault in this. So, student, let me stop for explaining till this paragraph, and further we will explain the rest of the paragraph. But student, it is not possible to give full effort or full the sense through the voice, through the online classes, but you have to understand the deepest meaning, and you try to pick out the comic sense, what the given in this paragraphs, and just take the enjoyment by reading it. And when you read it by heart, it by mind, and definitely you got that what a fool he was, and in spite of this he calls him as a very sincere and very intelligent person. So student, you just explain yourself this paragraph, and after this I will explain the rest of the paragraph. Okay, thank you.